In a bright and bustling world, full of friends and fun, everyone was connected, playing under the warm, golden sun. But then, a tiny, invisible troublemaker appeared. It was called coronavirus, and it was something new that nobody understood yet. This little germ loved to travel from person to person, hitching a ride on coughs and sneezes, which was no fun. It also liked to stick to hands and hide on things we touch, like doorknobs, waiting for its next adventure. To keep everyone safe from this sneaky germ, playgrounds and schools had to close for a little while, which felt strange. We all had to stay in our homes, like cozy little bears in a den, to stop the germ from spreading. But don't worry, real-life superheroes came to the rescue. Brave doctors and nurses worked very hard to help everyone feel better. And brilliant scientists, our super smart heroes, started working together in their labs to find a way to defeat the germ. We discovered that we had superpowers too. The first one was super hand washing, using soap and water to wash the germs away. Our second superpower was wearing cool and colorful masks, which acted like a shield to protect ourselves and our friends. Our third superpower was giving each other space. Like we all had invisible hula hoops around us to keep the germs away. Even though we were apart, we found new ways to be together, like video calls with grandparents and virtual playdates with friends. The scientist heroes worked day and night, and finally, they created a super shield, a special medicine called a vaccine. This vaccine was like a training session for our bodies, teaching them how to fight off the coronavirus germ super fast. It was just a tiny, quick poke in the arm, and it gave our bodies the strength to be germ-fighting champions. People all over the world helped each other. They shared kindness, food, and supplies, showing that we are all one big team. With everyone using their superpowers and the new vaccine shield, the little coronavirus germ started to get weaker and smaller. It couldn't spread anymore. Slowly and safely, the world began to open up again. The doors to our schools and playgrounds swung wide open for us. We could finally see our friends again, running and laughing in the sunshine, happy to be back together at last. We could give big, warm hugs to our grandparents and family members that we had missed so much for a long time. Learning in a classroom with our teacher and friends felt more special than ever before. We were so happy to learn together. Birthday parties were back. We could celebrate with our friends, play fun games, and share yummy cake and treats together. The whole world started to heal and smile again, stronger and more connected than before, because we all worked together to help. We learned that even when things seem scary, we all have the power to be heroes and make a big difference. We learned the importance of taking care of each other and our world, planting seeds of kindness wherever we could go. We remembered our superpowers and continued to wash our hands thoroughly to keep all kinds of pesky germs away from us. We also learned that if we feel a little sick, staying home to rest is a kind thing to do for everyone. Our heroes, the doctors, nurses, and scientists, continue to watch over us, always ready to help keep our world safe. The coronavirus story was a tricky chapter in our lives, but we faced it together with courage, strength, and lots of hope. Now we can play team sports again, cheering for our friends and learning how to work together to achieve a goal. We can enjoy simple things, like a sunny picnic in the park with our family, feeling safe and happy together again. We learned to appreciate our friendships more than ever, sharing stories and laughter, and being there for one another every day. Just like a beautiful rainbow after a storm, we came out of this stronger, kinder, and more grateful for each other. So remember to always be a helper, be kind, and use your amazing superpowers to keep our wonderful world healthy and bright. The Earth is our home, and by taking care of ourselves and each other, we make it a happier, healthier place for everyone.